To create your message, simply click on the star sender extension icon and select the message option. Next, add your desired message in the message box. You can even add customization to your message by uploading data from Excel. To add attachments, click on the attachment icon and select the type of attachment you want to add, such as images/videos, documents, or contacts. In this example, we'll add an image. Self-message. Remember, the first attachment message will always be sent to yourself. Click on the Send button to send the message to yourself.
Now let's see the other message functions before we send the message.
Time gap. To avoid being blocked by WhatsApp, use the Enter Time Gap Between Messages function. This feature lets you add random or predefined time gaps between each message. Batching. If you need to send messages to a large number of contacts, use the Add Batching function. Divide your contact list into batches and add a time gap between each batch to reduce the risk of being blocked by WhatsApp. Simply hit the Send Message button and your messages will be sent to the selected contacts. Outro. That's it for today's tutorial on using the messaging feature of the Star Sender Chrome extension. We hope this helps you send bulk messages on WhatsApp with ease. Thanks for watching.